The amount of food waste in Malaysia, such as conchas, has become higher and higher, which causes pollution and environmental damage to our country.
Especially the most popular local foods in Malaysia, durian also bring their food waste to this durian scheme that always be thrown by people.
With the development of civilization, forest logging and deforestation for wood-based paper production has caused more harm to the habitat, flora and fauna.
In response to these problems, our team, the Green Innovators, has developed the Nature Knot, a paper made from food waste which is durian skins and conchas that offers an eco-conscious alternative for everyday use.
What's the substances inside the paper? The nutrients and fiber from the durian skin and conchas helps to strengthen the structure of the paper, and it can naturally decompose into the soil after use.
Is it harmful for the environment? Are there any additive chemicals? Well, nature contains basic chemical substances such as sodium hydroxide or hydrochloric acid that are not harmful to the environment anyway.
Is the Nature Knot known to the public? Besides that, we introduced the Nature Knot to our school, allowing students and teachers to try using it in their daily activities. We also successfully bring our paper to international tables and national exhibitions.
How do we let students know about the Nature Knot? The project PBL, Project Based Learning, is organized by our team, which involves around 300 of students. They learn about the production of the paper and produce the paper together during the PBL. Our team developed a biodegradable paper as a sustainable alternative.
In addition to being environmentally friendly, our paper also naturally decomposes and acts as organic matter in soil and gives extra benefits that normal paper does not.
The effect of this innovation is a reduction in waste, lower deforestation rates, and a step towards a more sustainable and circular economy. The Nature Knot, right today, grow tomorrow.
Dalam. Ada uncle.